Oh, we are back and ready to work on the bird, and it is cold and dark in here. Hold on. The lights are beautiful. Check it out. So as of right now, I'm getting ready to do the breakdown on this. We're gonna see how much we're gonna get done tonight, because I'm really not sure how far I plan to go. But at the very least, I'm working on at least getting the water pump off and the timing cover, so that way I can get back to the gasket back there where it's leaking. You can kind of see that puddle back in there. As of right now, I'll work on just, tearing it apart and figuring it out as I go, and then deciding where to go from there. I cleaned out this side pretty well, got all the wires out, and hit it with some brake clean to get the majority of the grease off before I start with sanding and just touching up in there a little bit. And then over here, got most of this pulled back. Just about to pull this, I guess it's a trans cooler line, but this thing is dry rotted to hell, so most of my hoses look like this, so these are gonna get replaced, so let's tear those out. Oh, my poor wounded warrior, there she is.